Hey, you guys. Pardon me. Well, um, so I'm thinking about going back to the first chapter too. Do not worry, I am going to review every single thing that is in this book so that we will have an A student, right? Right. So thankfully, technology is on our side, and hopefully, I will get something that will help me not to only do, um, it won't limited me, less than 10 minutes, but, anyways, I will do as best as I can until that thing comes. So, um, So our first page is it's going to be the life and activities of cells. I know that this is chapter 2, but our next test is going to be starting from here, and I absolutely do know that Isaiah, you do know um, the materials from the first one. So I'm going to do this a little bit later, I promise. So the first page of the second chapter says we're going to be learning a little bit more in depth with the cell membrane, cytoplasm, and the nucleus. Okay, so therefore our starting point is, of course, the outer layer of the cell, which is, as we can see here, it is this part right here. Okay, right here, and then as we can see right up here, it's, you can't do this without looking. It's just right up this green part, and I know that you know that. But I'm just giving you what it is again. So, anyways, so that's the cell membrane, and the cell membrane has two different parts. One is a very long word, and one is a word that we always use when we are eating meat and other protein stuff. It's the first layer that they talk about is the frost, pros, this is annoying. Sorry. Phospholipids, and is a double layer molecule. And then the second one is the proteins that is scattered all around the the phospholipids layer of the membrane. So the phospholipids are molecules that form most of the materials for the cell membrane. So yeah, that is, it always goes with two by two. So, so that's a word that you want to remember. And then, of course, and then we talked about proteins. So there are 3 different proteins, which is a carrier proteins, what regulates what's enter and leaves the cell. Okay, and now there's a marker protein, and I think that if you go into those really what we the videos that we watched, if you go in there, he might give you a demonstration of how it looks like. I can't really do that for you. I'm so sorry, but that is what it is. But oh, there's a little pictures right here, and this small little ones are the proteins. I need to go up a little bit. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so these small little ones are yellow dotted are proteins, and they're really cool. Yeah, so they let in and let out whatever they want, and well, not whatever they want, but whatever they need. And then there's the and so that's carrier, and then marker proteins. They are the cells that identify the cells to another cell, okay, and then the receptor proteins allow instructions, or it's the communication. So I believe that because RNA and DNA are made up of proteins, so I believe that that is what it is. Okay, now so that is the cell membrane, and we are now entering into the cytoplasm, which is the first part you hit inside the cell. If you go inside the cell, so the cytoplasm is the jelly-like fluid substance where everything is getting held together, and it's outside the nucleus, and then it's inside the cell membrane, and then it holds up different types of organelles, which is the organs of the cell. And then there's 3 different types of organelles, which is organelles that produce proteins. There is organelles that produce energy within the cell, and then there's specialty organelles. So this is 2 pages, so I will see you in the next section. So yeah, we are going to do you're going to learn about the nucleus. Have a great time. Bye.